गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम सेल्सफोर्स में स्टैंडर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। सेल्सफोर्स स्टैंडर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट, द सेल्सफोर्स प्लेटफॉर्म स्टोर इन relation table. The records in this table contain data from the structure of the platform itself, as well as users created data. For example, the data about configurations and setting of an account are the already in the built as a relations table, but you can also create your the one table to store data specific to your the business, like the dispatch schedule for a week assigning you are a quick career company. Their relation table are the routinely referred to as API object or only object in Salesforce. There are three kinds of the Salesforce object. Next, standard object, the object already created for you by the Salesforce platform. Custom object, these are the object created by you based on your the business process. External object, the object which you create map to the data store outside your the organization. Next, standard object, these are the objects which already exist in the Salesforce platform to the manage configuration and the setting of the environment. Once you log in to the Salesforce platform, you can see the available object. Example, the most commonly referred standard object is called the account object. It is the object which store in the primary information about the customers, partners, competitors, and another organization. We can explore the account object by the following the step below. Step first, log in to the Salesforce platform and follow the link. Path setting, set up the home, object manager, and account. Next, set up home, developer console, account, and object managers. Next, say, step 2. In this step, click on the schema builders. It is a show to complete the account table with the fields, name and data type of there are fields, mark read the fields, mark read, indicate that is mandatory to the fields if when a account is created. Schema builders. Next, important standard object. In the sections will be discussed the important section object Salesforce. The following the tables list down the object. Account history represent the history of the change to the value in the fields of the account. Use this object in the identify change to the account. Case represent a case which is a customer issue or problems. Use the case object in object to manage case for your organization. Contact represent a contact which is a individual associated with an account. This object is used to manage individual who are associated with the account in the organization. Users represent a users in the organization. This object is used to query information about users, also the help to provide and modify the information connecting the users. Next, assist represent is the item in commercial value such as a product should be company or a competitors, that is a customer has a purchase install. This object is used to track asset previously stored into the customer account with asset tracking client. The application can be quickly determine which product where the previously stored or currently installed at a specific account. Next, users represent users in the organization. This object is used to query information about use to also help provide the modify the information connecting the users asset represent as a represent and and item of the commercial value, such as a product sold by the company or the competitors that is the customer has a purchase and install. This object is used to track and assign the previously sold into the customer account. With the send tracking and client, the application can be quickly determine which product where the previously sold or the correctly installed at a specific account. Next, domain. Domain read only object that is that represent custom web address assigned to the site in your organization. This read-only object is a used to object to the query domains that are associated with each website in your organization. Next, standard fields. Standard fields are the default fields, but in the Salesforce, they cannot be deleted. On the other hand, server aspect of standard, the fields cannot be customized as follows. Edit, edit, delete, or add value of pick list fields and set up the default value. Rename the fields label, add a help text for the fields, set dependence between the fields, configure validation rules, make a fields and require view and validation rules or view the page layout. Set fields history tracking to the track the change, including the date, time, and matches of the changing and who made to the change. Control the display of the fields in the page layout and possibility to hide them. Set field layout separate to control access to the fields. Note: when you change the labels, the new name appear on all of the page. The user says how we are Salesforce online the help and set up the page. Always display the original names for the standard fields. The API name of the standard fields cannot be modifying. Next, type of fields in Salesforce. As we move forward, let the discuss all kind of the fields we have in ecosystem. There are primary two type of the fields in Salesforce: standard fields, custom fields. Each one of them is quickly different and server virus function accordingly. Therefore, users can store data in the respective columns of the fields. You will be learn more about them in the following section of the blogs. Standard fields, as the name suggests, the standard fields are the predefined fields in the Salesforce, that is a platform in the standard task. The main point that you can simply delete and standard fields until it is a non-required standard fields. Otherwise, user have the option delete them at any point to any point from the application friendly. Moreover, we have to some fields that is you will be will find common in every Salesforce applications. They are created by owner, last modified, fields made during the object. Features is these are the basic fields. Then you can not delete the modify hints, and they the columns are available in the every database in other word and undeletable fields in every standard object are the standard fields which is a pick the always. Next, custom fields. On the order set of the coins, custom fields are the highly flexible and users can change them according the requirement to. Moreover, each organization or company can use them if necessary. It is a means you need to the always include them in the records. Unlike standard and fields and hence that is final decisions depending on the users, and he can add or remove the custom fields on any given the forms. Thank you friends, मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye, take care.